5 healthy dinner recipes kids will actually eat. Hi there. Today we're going to share 5 healthy dinner recipes that kids will actually eat. It can be challenging to find meals that everyone in the family enjoys, but these easy recipes use whole ingredients and are kid approved. So let's get started. The first recipe is cheesy chicken and broccoli rice. This dish is a great way to get your kids to eat more vegetables. And it is also very filling and nutritious. Start by cutting up a chicken breast into small pieces. Then in a large bowl, combine 1 cup of cooked rice with 1 cup of broccoli florets and 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. In another bowl, mix together 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of milk, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper. Pour this mixture over the rice and broccoli and stir well. Top with the chicken pieces and bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through. You can make this dish even more kid-friendly by serving it with a side of ketchup or mustard. Next up is turkey taco soup. This soup is packed with protein and fiber, and it's also very flavorful and satisfying. Browned 1 pound of ground turkey in a large pot over medium heat. Once the turkey is cooked through, remove any excess grease from the pot and add 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped green bell pepper, and 1 chopped red bell pepper. Continue to fry this on medium heat for about 5 minutes or until the onions start to soften. Next, add 1 can of black beans, 1 can of kidney beans, 1 can of corn, 4 cups of chicken broth, and 1 cup of water. Bring this mixture to a boil. Then reduce heat and simmer for 15 minutes. Season with salt and pepper to taste and serve hot. For added flavor, you can top each bowl with shredded cheese, sour cream, avocado, or tomatoes. Moving on to a fan favorite, pizza quesadilla. This recipe is a fun and cheesy twist on the classic quesadilla, and it is sure to be a hit with your kids. Spread 1/2 cup of pizza sauce over one side of a large flour tortilla. Sprinkle 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce and place 1/4 cup of pepperoni slices on top. Roll up the tortilla tightly and tuck in the ends to form a seal. Heat a large skillet over medium heat and spray with cooking spray. Add the quesadilla and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side or until golden brown and the cheese is melted. Cut the quesadilla into wedges and serve hot. You can also get creative with the fillings and use different types of cheese, meats, and vegetables to make your own unique pizzas. Now let's move on to baked mac and cheese with turkey and vegetables. This recipe is a healthier take on the classic mac and cheese, and it is made with whole wheat pasta, lean ground turkey, and a variety of vegetables. Cook 8 ounces of whole wheat macaroni according to the package instructions. While the pasta is cooking, brown 1 pound of ground turkey in a large skillet over medium heat. Once the turkey is cooked through, remove any excess grease from the pan and add 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped carrot, and 1 chopped celery stalk. Continue to fry this on medium heat for about 5 minutes or until the onions start to soften. Next, add 1 cup of broccoli florets and 1 cup of cauliflower florets and cook for an additional 5 minutes. Stir in 1/2 cup of low-fat cheddar cheese, 1/2 cup of low-fat mozzarella cheese, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Once the pasta is cooked, drain it and add it to the cheese sauce along with 2 cups of milk. Mix well to coat the pasta. Pour the mixture into a greased 9 by 13-inch baking dish and bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes or until heated through. This recipe is a great way to get your kids to eat more vegetables. And it is also very filling and nutritious. And last but not least, we have salmon patties with sweet potato fries. This recipe is a fun and healthy twist on the classic salmon patty, and it is served with a side of sweet potato fries. To make the patties, combine 1 pound of cooked and flaked salmon, 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 egg, 1/4 cup of chopped onion, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper in a large bowl. Mix well to combine all the ingredients. Form the mixture into 4 patties. Heat a large skillet over medium heat and spray with cooking spray. Add the patties and cook for 3 to 4 minutes per side or until golden brown and cooked through. To make the sweet potato fries, cut to large sweet potatoes into fries and toss them with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Spread the fries in a single layer on a baking sheet and bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes or until crispy and tender. Serve the salmon patties with the sweet potato fries and enjoy. This recipe is a great source of protein and healthy fats, and it is also very delicious and satisfying. And there you have it. 5 healthy dinner recipes that your kids will actually eat. We hope you enjoyed these easy and nutritious meal ideas that are perfect for picky eaters. Remember to use fresh, whole ingredients and to get creative in the kitchen. Don't be afraid to try new things and to get your kids involved in the cooking process. With a little patience and creativity, you can find plenty of healthy and delicious meals that your kids will love. If you're looking for more healthy recipe ideas for kids, be sure to check out our blog for more great recipes and tips. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more nutrition and parenting tips. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!